Whoa! 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 Whoa!
Okay. All right, we made it to Legoland for baby Josh's 5th birthday, and it's pouring rain.
Turn up, turn up, turn up. Put that noise in. Okay. Finally going in the pool.
Yay!
From like 10 hours, we just waited. Or like 20.
This is gonna be so fun. You guys basically have it. Whoa!
I'm going on that.
You guys have it to yourself.
Hey, Jake, right here. Sit like this.
That's actually really cool.
Back, Jake. Wait, bye. Whoa! 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 Hi.
Hi. It's me, Josh. It's still on my birthday.
That's awesome. Cool. Thanks, guys.
And Nathan. Yes. And they're from Texas.
So, this game, they have to determine what song we're singing. So Ryan, you go first. You sing a song underneath the water. I have no idea what that was.
Now it's my turn.
2, 3. I have one. Ready? 1, 2. Legos, and we're gonna build a cool house.
Yeah.
This building, we're getting there, but it is not floating. Look, it is almost staying up, and it's gonna fall. Oh, so we're almost there. Here, jump on it.
Hey, you too.
Whoa!
Brian and Josh are stuck out in the boat ride. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Turn it this way now. And now, okay, come. Now turn it this way. Turn it, keep turning. Okay, now turn it that way. Turn it that way. Oh my gosh. Oh, Ryan, I wish I could help you. You're almost there. All right, go, press the gas. Now turn it the other way. Turn the wheel this way. Turn it this way. Yay! How did he make it all the way through?
Right this way, guys.
Were you nervous? Come on. Ryan, good job getting out of that one. You said, where's my license?
Let me get your license back.
No.
Ryan, you failed. You failed boating school, okay? But good job. You made it. You made it. Okay. You did good.
Why did I fail?
Well, it's a joke. You're not the only one that failed. There's other people stuck.
Look back, Ryan! Ryan, look! I'm gonna hit you right. I'm gonna hit. Oh, I hit you.
Josh is laughing. That's scarier than it looks.
You like
This
Legoland?
is the farthest that I could go that I ever went in my life.
Why?
Because I was too scared.
A Ford Mustang made out of Legos.
Why can't they get out?
It's free though. The gas is free. Soaking wet. Look, everybody's leaving and we're coming. I think we're the only people coming. Look, nobody's coming behind us.